Welcome to this step-by-step lesson on solving a multi-step arithmetic expression. Today, we're going to evaluate 7 to the power of -1 times curly brace 49 plus bracket 7 squared minus 7 times parentheses 7 minus 7 to the power of 0 close parentheses close bracket close brace. We will use the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS or BODMAS, to solve this correctly without making common mistakes. Let's begin. Step 1. We always start with the innermost grouping symbols, which are the parentheses containing 7 minus 7 to the power of 0. Within these parentheses, we must evaluate the exponent first. Remember, any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So, 7 to the power of 0 becomes 1. This simplifies our parentheses to 7 minus 1, which equals 6. Our expression now becomes 7 to the power of -1 times curly brace 49 plus bracket 7 squared minus 7 times 6 close bracket close brace. Next, we look inside the square brackets. We have 7 squared minus 7 times 6. According to the order of operations, multiplication comes before subtraction. The term 7 parenthesis 6 means 7 times 6, which equals 42. Substituting this back, the brackets now contain 7 squared minus 42. Step 3. We still have operations inside the square brackets, 7 squared minus 42. Exponents must be evaluated before subtraction. 7 squared is 7 times 7, which equals 49. Our bracketed expression now simplifies to 49 minus 42. Step 4. Now we perform the subtraction inside the square brackets, 49 minus 42, which equals 7. The square brackets are now fully resolved, and we can replace them with 7. The expression is now simplified to 7 to the power of -1 times curly brace 49 plus 7, close brace. Step 5. Next, we evaluate the addition inside the curly braces, 49 plus 7, which equals 56. With the braces resolved, our expression simplifies to a much simpler form, 7 to the power of -1 times 56. Finally, we handle the negative exponent. Remember that any number raised to the power of -1 is its reciprocal, so 7 to the power of -1 is equal to 1 over 7. We are left with 1 over 7 times 56, which is the same as 56 divided by 7. This gives us our final answer of 8. We've solved the entire expression step by step. Let's summarize the key order of operations rules we used. First, work from the inside out, starting with the innermost parentheses. Second, any non-zero base raised to the power of 0 equals 1. Third, exponents are always calculated before multiplication and subtraction. Fourth, a negative exponent represents a reciprocal. By slowing down and following these steps one by one, you can solve any complex expression with confidence.